Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of traditional fashion with none other than the Bollywood beauty, Shraddha Kapoor. The actress exudes ethereal beauty in a soft pastel sari, adorned with delicate embroidery or sequins. She pairs this with a matching blouse, keeping the look subtle yet sophisticated. For red carpet events or glamorous occasions, Shraddha opts for bold and vibrant saris that make a statement. These saris often feature intricate patterns, bold colors, and embellishments, accentuating her charismatic personality. Embracing timeless classics, the beauty occasionally dons traditional silk saris, such as Kanjivaram or Banarasi, showcasing rich textures and intricate motifs. She pairs these with traditional jewelry, adding a touch of regal elegance to her ensemble. Known for experimenting with her looks, the actress sometimes chooses contemporary saris with modern cuts, unconventional drapes, or fusion designs. These saris blend traditional fabrics with contemporary elements, reflecting her eclectic fashion sense. Shraddha also embraces minimalistic elegance with understated saris in solid colors or subtle prints. She keeps the styling simple, focusing on clean lines and minimal embellishments, yet radiating sophistication and charm. Whether it's statement earrings, intricately designed bangles, or a stylish clutch, the actress knows how to accessorize her saris to perfection, adding an extra layer of allure to her ensemble. She often opts for saris with sheer panels or net fabrics, adding a touch of sensuality to her look while maintaining an air of elegance. These saris are usually embellished with delicate embroidery or sequins, creating a mesmerizing effect. The actress likes to play with prints, choosing saris adorned with intricate patterns like floral motifs, geometric designs, or abstract art. These printed saris inject a playful vibe into her ensemble, perfect for daytime events or casual outings. Being a Bollywood diva with a penchant for cultural diversity, the actress occasionally showcases her love for regional saris. From the vibrant Bandhani of Gujarat to the graceful Tant of Bengal, she effortlessly carries off saris from different parts of India, celebrating the country's rich textile heritage. She's often seen in saris featuring ruffled details along the borders or pallu, adding movement and drama to her ensemble. These ruffled saris are perfect for making a fashion-forward statement at parties or events. The actress loves to experiment with draping styles to create unique and artistic looks. Whether it's a contemporary dhoti drape, a stylish butterfly drape, or an asymmetrical drape, she showcases her creative flair by reinventing traditional sari draping techniques, making her outfits stand out with panache. The actress occasionally channels vintage glamour in her sari choices. She gravitates towards retro-inspired saris featuring polka dots, checks, or vintage florals, evoking a sense of nostalgia while adding her own modern twist to the ensemble. The beauty effortlessly pulls off monochrome sari looks, opting for saris where the color of the sari and blouse are in perfect harmony. Monochrome saris create a sleek and sophisticated silhouette, allowing her natural beauty and poise to take center stage. With a growing consciousness towards sustainability, Shraddha Kapoor also champions eco-friendly fashion choices. She occasionally wears saris crafted from sustainable fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo silk, or handloom weaves, promoting responsible fashion with her chic and conscious style. The actress occasionally embraces layered sari looks, where she pairs a traditional sari with a contemporary twist. This may include wearing a sheer cape over the sari or adding a contrasting jacket for a touch of modern sophistication. These layered ensembles add depth and dimension to her overall look, showcasing her fashion-forward approach. She often chooses saris adorned with intricate embellishments such as sequins, beads, or zari work, creating a dazzling effect under the spotlight. These embellished saris are perfect for glamorous events where she wants to exude opulence and glamour. For a laid-back and eclectic vibe, the actress occasionally opts for bohemian-inspired sari looks. She chooses saris with quirky prints, tassels, or fringe details, channeling a free-spirited and unconventional aesthetic. Paired with chunky jewelry and tousled hair, these boho chic saris reflect her adventurous style persona. Drawing inspiration from royal heritage, the actress embraces regal sari looks fit for a queen. She selects saris featuring luxurious fabrics like velvet or brocade, adorned with intricate embroidery and jewel tones. Paired with statement jewelry and a regal attitude, these saris exude timeless elegance and sophistication. She often incorporates elements of global fusion into her sari looks, blending Indian aesthetics with influences from around the world. This may include pairing a sari with a statement belt, layering it with a kimono-style jacket, or accessorizing with eclectic jewelry from different cultures. The actress infuses her sari looks with a youthful charm and vibrancy, often opting for playful colors, quirky prints, or fun details. She balances traditional elegance with a modern twist, creating looks that appeal to a younger audience while still retaining a timeless allure. Shraddha Kapoor often pays homage to Indian temple art and architecture through her sari choices. She selects saris featuring intricate temple-inspired motifs or border designs, echoing the grandeur of ancient temples. These saris exude a sense of reverence and cultural pride, showcasing her appreciation for India's rich heritage. The actress is known for supporting artisanal craftsmanship, and her traditional sari choices often reflect this commitment. These timeless pieces carry sentimental value and history, adorned with intricate embroidery, exquisite zari work, or precious embellishments, preserving the legacy of her ancestors while adding a touch of nostalgia to her ensemble. During festive occasions like Diwali, Navratri, or Eid, Shraddha Kapoor embraces traditional saris in vibrant colors and festive motifs. She opts for saris adorned with festive embellishments like mirror work, botapati, or kundan work, radiating joy and celebration with her festive attire. The actress occasionally draws inspiration from India's regal heritage, channeling the style of Maharanis and princesses from bygone eras. She selects saris featuring opulent fabrics like silk or velvet, embellished with intricate embroidery, pearls, or precious stones, evoking a sense of royal splendor and grace. The beauty adjusts her traditional sari choices according to the seasons, opting for lighter fabrics like chiffon, georgette, or organza during the summer months to stay cool and comfortable, while embracing rich silks and velvets during the winter season for warmth and luxury. Shraddha Kapoor often celebrates the cultural diversity of India through her traditional sari choices. She embraces saris from different regions and states, such as the vibrant Bandhani saris from Gujarat, the intricate Kanjivaram saris from Tamil Nadu, or the graceful Pathani saris from Maharashtra. Each sari pays homage to the unique cultural heritage and craftsmanship of its origin, showcasing her appreciation for India's rich tapestry of traditions. Drawing inspiration from Indian mythology and folklore, Shraddha occasionally wears saris adorned with mythological motifs and symbols. These saris feature intricate embroidery or prints depicting scenes from Hindu epics like the Ramayana or the Mahabharata, as well as symbols of gods and goddesses such as Ganesha, Krishna, or Durga, adding a touch of mythology and mystique to her traditional attire. Beyond major festivals, the actress embraces the spirit of seasonal festivities through her traditional sari choices. Whether it's celebrating the arrival of spring with colorful floral prints and pastel hues during Holi, or adorning herself in rich jewel tones and ornate embellishments during the auspicious occasion of Durga Puja, she captures the essence of each season and festival through her traditional ensembles. In addition to showcasing opulent silk saris and intricate embroidery, Shraddha Kapoor also pays homage to India's rural heritage through her traditional fashion choices. She occasionally opts for rustic and earthy saris crafted from hand-woven fabrics like khadi or jute, adorned with traditional motifs and simple embellishments, reflecting the beauty and simplicity of rural life in India. Her traditional sari choices often reflect her artistic sensibilities and love for creativity. She gravitates towards saris featuring artistic prints, hand-painted designs, or unconventional textures, adding a touch of artistic flair to her traditional attire. These saris are a testament to her appreciation for art and innovation in fashion. Shraddha Kapoor collaborates with local artisans and weavers to promote traditional Indian crafts and support community livelihoods. Well, that wraps up our exploration of Shraddha Kapoor's traditional fashion choices. Which look was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.